What factors influence the outcome of wars beyond military power? Recent conflicts in Ukraine and Iran reveal how relying solely on brute force can lead to unexpected results, and why this matters to global security today. The wars in Ukraine and Iran show that military strength alone doesn't guarantee victory. In both conflicts, weaker adversaries have leveraged asymmetric warfare to disrupt much more powerful militaries. For example, Ukraine faced 86 Shahed 136 kamikaze drones launched by Russian forces, but managed to destroy 24 in just a week. Similarly, Iranian forces have used drone attacks and missile launches to challenge U.S. forces despite technological and numerical disadvantages. This approach undermines the over-reliance on single powerful actors in security strategies. Beyond military hardware, control over key maritime chokepoints can decisively influence war outcomes. The research highlights that access to these strategic locations affects supply lines and movement of forces. In the Ukraine and Iran conflicts, securing such points has been a major factor in operational planning, demonstrating that geography can be as important as firepower in determining control and influence. The role of allies is vital beyond direct military strength. British Prime Minister Keir Starmer revealed that the U.S. could use British bases for defensive strikes on Iran, and that Ukrainian and other specialists are aiding Gulf efforts to counter Iranian drones. This international cooperation shows that alliances expand operational capabilities and intelligence sharing, influencing the course of conflict beyond a single nation's power. The U.S. fired many air defense munitions during the first phase of Operation Epic Fury, and resumption of combat has further reduced inventories. Yet Iranian launches remain low, suggesting resource management and timing are critical. Prolonged conflicts strain munitions supplies and require strategic conservation and resupply to maintain operational effectiveness. What this means for you is that military power alone doesn't guarantee security or victory in modern conflicts. Understanding the roles of asymmetric tactics, geography, alliances, and resource management can help you better grasp global security risks and the complexity behind war outcomes. Stay informed by subscribing for more clear explanations of today's critical issues.